Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Cousin Cloud. So in this video, I'm going to do a quick video on downloading Zoom clients on your Windows 10 desktops. So to download Zoom client, you need to go to um, zoom.us dash download. So there are a few downloads here. So what you need is you need the Zoom client for meetings. And if you use Microsoft Outlook, you need to download the plugin for Outlook. And if you use Notes, which is the IBM applications, you need to download the Notes as well. And here's some of the the browser extension. You can download the Firefox add-on, or you can download the Chrome add-on as well. There's a lot of components there's a Zoom mobile apps. You can download from the App Store or the from the Google Store. You can click here. So I'm going to download the Zoom for Windows, which is the very top one. This I'm going to install it by double click on it. So the installation is silent. You won't see the status screen at all. It's only at the beginning. You only see this initialize screen. Once it initializes complete, it's going to um, close it out. While it's installing, I'm going to download the plugin for Outlook. It has been downloaded. Now let's go back to Zoom. Look like it's already installing. So what you need to do is to join a meeting, you need to click on join a meeting, or you can do sign in. Just say if you join a meeting, it's going to require the administrator, the meeting ID. So I got the plugin installed. I'm going to install the plugin for Outlook. Next. So this is all you need for Windows. If you have Windows 10 workstations or computer, you just need to download the Zoom installer and then the Zoom Outlook plugin. Once the Outlook plugin is installed, it's going to put the Zoom icon in Outlook applications. I'm going to click close. This is it. That's how you install Zoom client on your Windows desktop computer. Thank you for watching and have a great day.